So here's a sequence. It's recursive, meaning don't know the explicit one. I can't jump to the 20th term without knowing the 19th term. That's what makes it recursive. I also see that I'm not adding anything, but I'm multiplying. So that tells me this is a geometric series, a geometric sequence. So, and because you're only looking for the fourth term, I could just say, okay, there's the first term. We'll multiply that by 9, get the next term. We'll multiply that by 9 again and get the third term. And then we'll multiply that by again. That'll tell me the fourth term. I could just create the the geometric series where it's the first term is 6 times 9 to the n minus 1. So this will be 6 times 9 to the fourth minus 1, which is 6 times 9 in the third. And see, that's what we're doing. We're multiplying 6 by 9 3 times. What is that? I don't know. I don't know what 9 to the third is. Final answer is I'm getting 4374. But it's that easy, okay? It's good to be able to do this because what if I were to ask you to find the 900th term? Then, boy, you don't want to do that by hand. Okay? Hope that helps.